Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can keep this Duolingo special app icon. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so Duolingo from time to time updates their app icon appearance just to stir up some traffic on social media. So if you like any of those different icons, this is the way that you can keep them for much longer, if not forever. So here is what you need to do. Once your Duolingo app updates to the icon that you like, you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then type in Duolingo in the search bar. From there, go to your Duolingo app. And as you can see, I can update my app, but we don't actually want to do that. So what you want to do is go to these three little dots in the upper right corner, click on them, and if your auto update is enabled, you want to check off this little box here. So my auto updates are disabled, which means that I manually update my Duolingo app. So if you have this disabled, you can prevent your Duolingo app from updating, and you can keep this special app icon for as long as you wish. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.